Hey everyone, it's Deb. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. This is the Stampin' Up's Paper Pumpkin Kit. It's the monthly subscription kit that they have for $19.95 a month, US dollars. This is for the US only. They may have it in other countries, but I don't know how it works there. If they have it there. Anyway, what it is either cards or a project or something, and you get a in your first one you get a stamp block. Let's see if I have it here somewhere. Yeah, well, it looks like this. It's a flat sort of square block. This is a Stampin' Up one. That might be it, actually, the one I got. And you get a little ink cube, which I'll show you in here. And then you get a kit with instructions. So it's $19.95 plus any tax in your area. There's no shipping on the month-to-month one. That's included in the price. They might be including a nominal shipping amount in the prepaid plans, the 3-month, 6-month, 12-month ones. I'm not positive. So anyway, this part is just going to be the unboxing, and I'll come back later and do the makes and also some alternates, okay? Because I don't have time to do those right now, but I will at least do the unboxing. So here we go. I just had cut it. Okay, and just a reminder, or if you didn't hear before, in March, if you don't have Paper Pumpkin, it's a good time to sign up now until March 10th, because the March box is going to have an extra free stamp set. So I'll show you the size you usually get, but I'm told the March one will be a bigger one, and in addition to the regular one in the March set, because Paper Pumpkin is celebrating their 6th year anniversary. So that's really cool. So yeah, between February 11th and March 10th, sign up sooner than later if you're not already, if you want to get that. It's going to be 8 full-size cards, and that's about as much as I know about the March set. And there will be a link below this video that's a direct link to register under me to get Paper Pumpkin, okay? And those of you that already are, you want to stick with it because you don't want to miss out on the extra stamp set. Okay, so here we have a Fresh Fig, which is like a deep purple. This, I think, was one of the in colors. Yes, it's a 2017 to 19 in color. I have the stamp pad too, but it was easier to reach for the marker. So Fresh Fig is one of the in colors. So that'll be going away. That color in unless they carry it forward in one of the other categories, but that is goes away at the end of May. Ooh, this is nice. Now I was told it would be something to do with succulents. Let's see if we can show it. Maybe here. The glare is bad, huh? There, maybe like that. Okay. So we have a cup with a succulent in it. That is really cool. We have a sentiment down here, thank you. We have a big U here. We have a little flower. And let's see, this says, "You're the reason I smiled today." That's really nice. Okay, so to go with the U, it says, "Are wonderful, are beautiful, can do incredible things." Really nice sentiments this time. And this says, "You're," oh, I already read that. And then this one says, kinder to yourself. Oh, be kinder to yourself and let your kindness flood the world." That's really cool. And then you've got some like decorative border strips. You've got 4 of them here. This one's a little larger and like swirls. I'm sorry you can't really see it. The light, I don't know how to get the light back here. Maybe there you can see it better. So really a nice stamp set this time. I like this a lot. Nice sentiments, and I love this cup with the succulent in it. So that's really cool. Then it has this tissue paper, which it always comes with tissue. It's not always this turquoisey blue, but sometimes the last few have been. Like the holidays would sometimes be different looking. So I'm going to move this out of the way. And here is the kit. It says Grown with Kindness is the name of the kit. Yeah, Grown with Kindness. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. That's the side of the box. Always has the kit name on it. And let me get my little scissors and we'll cut this open. So here is what the kit assembled looks like. That's how it comes. And this sheet here with the pictures is actually instructions. So let's see what we get in this kit. Isn't this fun? It's like a surprise. So if you're signed up and you haven't gotten your kit yet, you might not want to watch this until at least you get your kit and have opened it yourself. And but this, like I said, this is just the unboxing, so sorry if you're expecting more than that. But yeah, I'm gonna come back with the regular makes and the alternates all in one video, I think, this time. So all right, yeah, let me bring this back around. And if you just flip it over on the back, it tells you how to stamp, peel and stick, stamp and create, share and repeat. So it tells you a little bit how to stamp and how to clean and store your stamp with the stamp and mist, stamp and scrub kind of thing. And here's what your kit includes, and then it also always tells you coordinating Stampin' Up colors, and they're very pale gray here. So your kit includes one Grown with Kindness photopolymer stamp set, yes. So it's called Grown with Kindness. Fresh Fig Classic Stampin' Spot, which I have the bigger one, so I use that instead. Okay, now we're supposed to have 9 envelopes. So here they're nice heavyweight white envelopes. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, there's 9. And then the card bases. Okay, here are the card bases. Oh, they're kind of cool. They have a design on them that matches that one. It matches the one stamp. I don't know if you can see it. There, maybe a little bit. And this stamp here matches that. So that's really cool. But I don't think there's 9 of the. Okay, there's different ones. So there's 1, 2, 3 of that one. And then we have a stripe. And there's 3 of that one. Right? 3, yeah. Okay, there's more down here, guys. There's some just plain black. So there's 3 of that. So that's your 9 card bases. You have black, it's white on the inside. Black and white stripe, white on the inside. And then this pale gray design, which is, I really like that design. Okay, so that's our card bases. And then it says 3 gray card panels. Now these are panels. 3 vellum panels. So here's vellum. That's really cool. And they're really nice heavyweight vellum as well. These are the 3 dark gray panels. Ooh, isn't that pretty? 9 photo card panels. So there's 3. Oh, I like this. This says you in succulents. That's really pretty on wood grain. I like that one a lot. This is really cool. And this also has that, it's sort of like stuccoed background, that swirl design. Can you see it? There, a little bit. And three of those. So there's 9 different ones of those. So you have plenty to pick from. Then it says 2 sheets die cut labels. So here we go. We have some in fresh fig that are like, let's just punch them out so you can see them. There's that one, and then a smaller one of that, and you get 3 each of those. Sorry, I have a lot going on here. And then you have this one. Then you have a longer white one. These are for stamping your sentiments and things. I'll put that on there. And then you have some green. You have this, which is this green? Lemon Lime Twist. I thought it was. That's also an in color. I think also from, yes, 2019, 17 to 19. And then you have this one, which is Mint Macaron. I just used that on a project not long ago. And you get 2 sheets of those, identical, for your labels. And then you always get this heavy cardboard, which I keep to use as for other stuff. Anyway, and then you get 3 yards of black baker's twine and 1.5 yards of white baker's twine. You get some 40 silver metallic enamel dots. They're really nice. They're a little bit coming off the sheet there. You get 35 dimensionals, and you get 125 adhesive dots. So you get everything you need except your snips or scissors, they call them. They call them snips, I mean. Excuse me. So, and then all your twine. So yeah, you need scissors. You might need, and maybe you'd want liquid glue, but you don't really even need that because you've got the dots, and you've got your ink. So wonderful, wonderful kit here. I like this one a lot. I wasn't sure. So the colors that go with it are basic black, the fresh fig, which they gave you the stamp spot, the lemon lime twist on the labels, and that's probably to bring out, bring these forward, the greens in here, and the mint macaron. So they do, I wouldn't put them together necessarily, but they do go nicely. Okay, and that goes with the lighter, it's sort of the color of the cup, and then whisper white. So there's your color coordination. So I hope you'll consider signing up for Paper Pumpkin if you haven't already. And this is kind of what you get. Now sometimes you get a project, like last month we had little pillow boxes for Valentine's Day that were adorable. But these are practical cards, and the sentiments are really lovely, and I love this cup. So you can do a lot of things, and I think I can do a lot with this stamp set beyond beyond the kit. You know, use it for other cards and things. So I'll be playing around with that. Alright guys, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for watching, and do come back in the next couple days. I'll have how I made this as intended. They give you, oh, and that's the other thing, they give you instructions on the inside. So, you know, step 1, 2, 3, they have pictures and a little bit of words in here. But use your creativity, you know. And there's also a ruler across the bottom here, 9-inch ruler for measuring your twine and things. So yeah, pretty much a complete kit. They tell you to stamp your tags and background pieces, and they give you pictures of how they intended for things to be finished. But you can, like I said, you can do them however you like. I love these. These are beautiful. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot for watching. Come back, like I said, in a couple day or two, and I'll have a video up on the makes and then some alternates. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.